Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to be talking about fibroids. There have been so many lies about fibroids and a lot of people have been deceived when it comes to fibroid treatment and shrinkage, and I am here to tell you what fibroid actually is and the kind of treatments and the foods that you can eat in order to stop your fibroids from growing or to shrink your fibroids. First of all, I'm going to start by explaining what fibroids actually is. Fibroid is a non-cancerous growth that is developed in the uterus or sometimes outside the uterus, and women who develop it are mostly women in their childbearing age. And about 80% of women will develop fibroid at some point in their life. 80%, that is almost more than half of the percentage, that is 100. 80% will develop fibroid, but it's not all the 80% that develop fibroid that fibroid will disturb. So people have fibroids, it's just there and it's not disturbing them, it's not paining them, it's not doing them anything. Those people, they are advised to just leave it as it is. Why? So for some people it will pain, it will come with pains, it will come with so many symptoms, and most of the times when they visit their healthcare provider, they will suggest that they go for the removal of the fibroids. And for the people that they suggest removal of the fibroids for, some of you will now say, oh, I know Miss A, she removed it and it still grew back. I know this person, and you now want to go and try the tea that they told you that will shrink the fibroids. I just want to tell you that there is no tea and there is no herbal that can shrink your fibroids. That's the truth. I know some of you will disagree, but that's just the simple truth. It will look like it has shrunk, so the symptoms might disappear, but they will still come back. And for the people saying, oh, they don't want to go the surgery route because after the surgery it will still regrow, it is regrowing not because the surgery did not remove it. It is regrowing because you were feeding your fibroids. There are foods that you eat that kept on feeding the fibroids, and that is why they kept on, or they continued to come back. Actually, there is no herb or there is no tea that particularly will shrink your fibroids, but there are foods that you can start eating and things that you can start doing that can help you shrink your fibroids. Like the first one is fasting. Fasting is very important and it has done wonders for so many persons. Fasting is recommended if you have fibroids, especially for the fibroids that is not giving you signs or anything, it's not paining you or anything. When you fast, it can actually help to like shrink the fibroids. And there are also some foods that you can be eating that will help you shrink your fibroids, like broccoli, peanuts, berries, cauliflower, tomato, onion, garlic, and so on. Avoid some foods that causes growth like cheese, soy, and also foods that triggers insulin like sugar, carbs, and so on. So when they tell you that there is this herbs that they want to introduce you to that will shrink your fibroid, don't allow yourself to be deceived. Instead, go through the diet route, which is trusted and tested. Is it tested and trusted? Anyone? Yeah, I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching.